Insurance Office of America (IOA) announces appointment of Max MCK to managing partner. Longwood FLA November 7, 2023. Insurance Office of America IOA International Insurance Office of America is pleased to announce the appointment of Max MCK, the position of managing partner in his new role. Max will help lead IOA's Insurance Office of America's growing Jacksonville branch in the North Florida region. Since recruiting Max to IOA's Insurance Office of America's Jacksonville office in 2015, it has been a blessing and an honor to watch him grow as producer, leader, partner, and friend. Said Regional President Hayward Burnett. Max contribution to IOA International Insurance Office of America as a managing partner will be his ability to think outside of the box when it comes to working with clients and our staff in making sure we provide the highly standard of service and counsel that our clients expect and deserve. Max is passionate about using data and analytics to determine metrics to better improve cost containment strategies and to improve the overall productivity of the workforce. He, he sees data as the key driver of any wellness initiative and provides the tools needed to craft best bespoke analytical strategies for his clients. Max has served a lead member of IOA's Insurance Office of America's employee. He also has been recognized and IOA's Insurance Office of America's 2016 Rookie Agent of the Year and 2022 Benefits Agent of the Year. The cultural and value are what brought to me to IOA Insurance Office of America 8 years ago, said Max. IOA Insurance Office of America is different in an industry of sameness, and I am looking forward to building on the foundation that has been essential for our growth. I am very honored and excited to serve IOA's team members and clients at a deeper level in North Florida region. Max and his Bachelor of Business Administration degree in finance from Liberty University, and he holds the Certified Employee Benefits Consultant CEBS designation